Hi, I'm Hunter Hayes and I'm going to be your home inspector tomorrow. We encourage that all customers attend the entire inspection if at all possible. That way you can kind of see it through my eyes. I understand that life can get busy, so if you can attend the entire inspection, try to be there for the last hour and we can go over a quick review with you. Times are crazy, so I know that you might not be able to attend the inspection at all. Don't worry about it. I promise to call you, Zoom call, FaceTime, cell phone, text, whatever's best for you. So just rest assured that you will receive your report tomorrow as promised. Our company thrives on 5-star reviews and referrals, so let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm from the Gatlinburg area. I love to be outdoors, hiking, kayaking, whitewater rafting, anything outdoors, I'm your guy. I'd love to chat with you all about it. I'm also a specialist in several other additional testing services that we provide, like radon gas detection, mold testing, indoor air quality testing, pool testing, and various other forms of testing. If you have any questions about these things, please just respond to this message. Can't wait to see you tomorrow.